Welcome to Avalanche Facts, the platform where we dive deep into incredible stories of leadership, courage, and resilience shaping nations around the world. Today, we bring you a remarkable journey of a nation that is rewriting its future, Burkina Faso. In the heart of West Africa, a new chapter is being written for this landlocked nation, and its people are at the center of this transformation. Under the bold leadership of President Ibrahim Traoré, Burkina Faso is making history. Burkina Faso has long been a country of resilience, facing political turmoil, social unrest, and external threats. But today, its people are united under a new vision, a vision driven by one man, President Ibrahim Traoré. President Traoré is standing firm against forces that threaten the stability and sovereignty of his country. His mission to safeguard the future of Burkina Faso, no matter the cost. Burkina Faso's journey has been anything but easy. From battles with terrorist groups like GSIM and ISGS, to internal attempts to destabilize the state, the nation has endured one challenge after another. But President Traoré's administration is determined to stay the course. His unyielding commitment to unity, justice, and sovereignty is what sets him apart. On November 19, 2024, the Minister of Economy, Dr. Abubakar Nakanabo, signed an order freezing the assets of 113 individuals and 2 legal entities. These individuals are accused of participating in or financing acts of destabilization. Who are these destabilizers? The list is surprising, and it speaks to President Traoré's commitment to holding everyone accountable, no matter their status. Among those targeted are former transitional President Paul-Henri Sandaogo Damiba, now exiled in Togo, former foreign ministers Djibril Baol and Alpha Berry, and even journalists like Newton Ahmed Berry and Abdoulaye Berry. This isn't just about freezing assets. This is about sending a clear message: no one is above the law, and those who threaten national unity will face consequences. By holding high-profile individuals accountable, President Traoré is taking a stand for justice and transparency. He is showing that the people of Burkina Faso come first, over personal ambition, corruption, or external interference. This is not just a political struggle, it's a moral one. It's a fight for fairness, accountability, and the sovereignty of a nation that refuses to be manipulated. President Traoré's leadership sends a powerful message to the world. Burkina Faso is not just defending itself from external threats, but also from those within who wish to exploit its resources for their own gain. In his recent speech, President Traoré made one thing clear: the fight against destabilizers is not just the government's responsibility. It's a fight for every Burkinabe. He asked the people of Burkina Faso to stand together, to fight against division, to stay vigilant, because the strength of a nation lies in its unity and integrity. So, what's next for Burkina Faso? The road ahead will not be easy, but under the leadership of President Ibrahim Traoré, the future is full of potential. Burkina Faso is committed to strengthening its security forces, improving its economy, and building a fairer, more transparent system that puts the needs of the people first. And with unwavering support from the citizens, they will continue to rise above the challenges. As we celebrate the resilience and unity of the Burkinabe people, we also must acknowledge the challenges that remain. But one thing is certain: together, they will overcome. Let's all stand in solidarity with Burkina Faso as they fight for their future. This story is just the beginning. The world is watching, and the Burkinabe people are proving that unity is stronger than any threat. If you believe in the power of unity, justice, and resilient leadership, join us on this journey. Hit the like button, subscribe to Avalanche Facts, and ring that notification bell so you never miss a story of transformation and courage.